This is a piano tutorial for the John Denver song Sunshine on My Shoulders, this time as a piano accompanist. So you won't need to play the melody in your right hand, you'll do the chord in your left hand, the chord in your right hand, and then the left hand plays the root note of the chord down low as a bass note. So I'll show you the chords here first in your right hand, and start with that C chord in the root position, C, E, G. Sunshine on my shoulders. Actually, we're going to do this on the F chord. C is C, E, G. F is going to be C, F, and A. Sunshine on my shoulders. That's F. Makes me happy. And we do a lot of going back and forth between that C chord and that F chord like that. Sunshine, see again in my eyes, can make me cry. There's D minor, D, F, A, and then G7, D, F, G, and B. Sunshine, see on the water, that's F, C, F, A. Looks so lovely, another C chord, another F chord. Sunshine, almost always, F. Makes me high, C, another F. And then it's C if I had, there's a D minor, D, F, and A. A day, E minor, F, F, A, C, that I could give you. There's a C chord again, an F chord again. I'll give to you. A D minor, D, F, and A. So it's I give to you. D minor, E minor, a day, E, G, B, F. F, A, C, just like today. D minor, D, F, and A, and G7. And if I had, there's a D minor again, so C, D minor, E minor, song, F, that I could sing for you. Another set, F. A lot of these chords are root position. Sing a song, D minor, E minor, make you feel. All of those, C, D, E, just like that. F, this way. And pretty much repeats itself, and some C and F chords on the coda there. So very, very simple. Really a pretty good song to learn as an absolute beginner. So always work on it hands alone, and then put the hands together. And this is what what we got to do for the left hand. C chord here. You can play it here or here. F chord. You got an F note. D minor there, or D there. G7. You got a G. So whatever the root note of the chord is, you play that down low as a bass note, while you play that chord in your right hand and you sing the melody on top of it. So this is what it sounds like when you're all through. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes, eyes can make me cry. There's D minor. Sunshine on the water, looks so lovely. Another C chord, another F chord. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. There's D minor. Sunshine on the water, looks so lovely. Another C chord, another F chord. Sunshine on the water, looks so lovely. Another C chord, another F chord. Sunshine sing for you. I'd sing a song to make you feel this way. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so